So I want to give you just a short glimpse of what is IFBF, Indo-Finnish Business Forum, and then we have a small announcement to make after that. So here we have Chairman and Vice Chairman. So please tell about IFBF.
Thank you, Riku, for the opportunity. So we want to tell you what is Indo-Finnish Business Forum. It's a recently set up forum to facilitate the business relationships between Finland and India. And the members can be the Finnish companies working in India, or Indian companies working in Finland, or any organization interested in the relationships between, business relationships between Finland and India. And this is new, so we recently started. We will have all kinds of events, networking events, information sharing. We already have a website, and now we just need more members. So we really welcome new members. We already have about 25 at the moment. 30, yeah. But we really need more members, because members are the ones who make the organization. And then we can all help each other to promote business between Finland and India.